How do you see your purchase history on Temu? Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You're gonna land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of view. Once when you page here, you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of your orders. Now here you're gonna find all of your orders. Likewise, clicking on the option of processing, you're gonna find all the orders that are in the process to be shipped. Click on the option of shipped. Now here you're gonna find all the items that has already been shipped. Clicking on the option of delivered. Now here you're gonna find all the items that you have received. So here you're gonna find your purchase history. Over here you're gonna find a list of items that you have purchased. Likewise, clicking on the option of returns, you're gonna find the items that you have returned to the team over here. In the case you are searching for a specific item, what you can do is click on the option of self-service to find order. Now here you're going to find different options. Using any of these options, you can easily find your specific order. You can use the phone number, email address, order ID, or the payment information. Go ahead and select the option of your choice. I'm going to select order ID. After you select the option of your choice, provide the details. As I have selected order ID, I have to type in the order ID over here and then click on the option of find order. With that, I will be able to find the order. By applying the same process, you can also search for the specific item. So this is how you can easily see your purchase history on Temu. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.